What if there was a method to make $21 every 10 minutes of work with no effort, no investment, and no prior experience? Well, you're in luck because I'll show you how to do it in this video. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, and I will teach you a brand new method. I'll show you the greatest websites to use all across the internet in this quick video. And I'll teach you all of the procedures you'll need to take if you follow along with my tutorial. This method can be used by our beginners because it can be done on phone and is accessible from anywhere in the world. Additionally, this method is completely safe, free, and legal to use. So if you're really interested in making money online, make sure you watch all the way to the end to learn everything there is to know about this strategy. Now, just before we dive into the tutorial, smash that thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. First and foremost, I urge you to visit the website where you may search for and download stock photos and videos for free. Pexels.com is the name of the website. Now, I want you to look for the keyword black and white in the search field. Take a look at all of these black and white photographs. Utilizing all of these photographs is how we will make money today. Right now, the most important thing you can do is download as many black and white photos as you can and then go to the second website called hotpot.ai. This is their webpage, and this is the exact platform where you can colorize black and white photographs. By selecting photo colorization right here, you'll be taken to a website where you can color your black and white photos. As an example, if your photo is black and white, like the one on the left, you may colorize it for free using this website. And you can earn $5, $10, $15, $35, or even $50 by doing exactly so in our next platform later in the lesson. Later in this video, I'll show you step-by-step instructions on how to accomplish it, as well as the best platforms to use for selling this service. But for now, scroll down and have a look at this colorization factor. You can choose the values 12, 15, 18, 20, and 25 for the colorization factor. Those numbers represent the maximum amount of colors that can be added to your image. Right now, you can choose any number and then colorize the original images by clicking on this Colorize button. But first, you should upload your black and white images by clicking the Upload button. To demonstrate, I posted a photo from Pexels.com that I downloaded. The original photo is black and white, as you can see. And all I have to do now is click the Colorize option. All that's left to do now is download your photo to your device after you've properly colorized it. Remember that you can use any of your devices, including smartphones, on our platform. The best part about hotpot.ai is that you may use it even if you don't have an account because it's for free. This is a major opportunity for you. And it's a fantastic asset that can help you earn money online. So go ahead and grab as many free black and white images as you want from Pexels.com, then colorize them with hotpot.ai. That was the first stage in today's internet making money process. Make sure to watch all the way to finish to learn about the rest of the processes in this brand new method. Let us now go on to the second platform where you can use your photos. Remove.bg is what it's called, and it looks like this. Basically, as the website's name suggests, you can remove the background from your photos right here on this platform, and you can do this for absolutely free. You can see a detailed example of what I'm talking about right here if you scroll down. Isn't that fantastic? You can use this trick and post it to one of your upcoming platforms, but for now, scroll ahead and click the blue upload button right here to upload your photographs and remove their backgrounds for free. As you can see, I've submitted a photo and the background has been automatically cleared by this website. After that, you can download the photo to your device by clicking the blue download button. Now, just before we go any further, if you've enjoyed the video so far, please give it a big thumbs up. Right now, I'd like to show you the greatest platforms for uploading your customized images and earning money right away. The first is called Fiverr.com, which is a highly credible platform. This site accepts and offers a variety of services, including your modified images. Now, once you've gotten to Fiverr, type in colorized photographs in the search bar. You'll be led to this page after that, where you'll see people selling their services that I taught you about earlier in this video. All of these offers can be seen right here, and as you can see, you can gain money from them. If you look down below, you'll see people colorizing black and white photographs for a fee. Take this one for instance. As you can see, they provide that identical service and charge of $10 for it. How simple is this to make money online? As you can see, some people have expressed their opinions on the services in question. This simply means that individuals are paying for the services in dispute. All you have to do to be the next person to earn that much money on Fiverr is sign up for a free account. To do so, go to the right corner of your screen and click the sign up button. You'll be brought to this page after that, where you may enter your email address and password. You can, however, click continue with Facebook or continue with Google to have a better sign-up experience. After you sign up, you can now use Fiverr.com to sell your photo coloring services and earn money. Let's go on to the last platform of the day, and this is the second platform that will take services for your modified images with no background. PeoplePerHour.com is the second website I'm showing you that can help you maximize your results, and this is how their homepage looks. This platform is extremely similar to Fiverr.com in the sense that it accepts similar services, and it is also very reputable. Now I'd like you to go to the search bar and type in the keywords background removal, and then press the search button. Then you'll be led to this page where you may view individuals who are willing to do such services for a fee ranging from $10 to $50. Isn't that fantastic? You can find a lot more sellers if you scroll down below, and you could be the next one in line to earn that much money. However, you must first create a free account with People Per Hour. Scroll up to the top of the page and click the sign up button in the upper right corner. Following that, you'll be brought to this page where you'll select whether you want to be a client or a freelancer. Make sure you select the freelancer category. After that, either of these two buttons right here must be clicked. You have the option of signing up with Facebook or via email, and the choice is entirely yours. You'll see this area if you click sign up with email, and you'll need to enter your first and last names as well as your email and password. Finally, click the sign up button to complete your new People Per Hour account and begin billing for your services of removing backgrounds. To give you a final tip, you may charge for both background removal and photo colorization on both Fiverr.com and PeoplePerHour.com. Take this advice to maximize all of your earnings for this method. Finally, follow all of my steps and recommendations for this video, and you will earn $21 every 10 minutes or even more right away. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos too, so you'll maximize your results in making the big pile of cash straight into your accounts.